You ready?
As ready as he'll ever be.
Bath, Kiki? Oh no. Oh no. Do you hate it?
Of course he does. Careful, he likes to... He likes to scratch. Like, you might be bleeding at the end of this.
Oh.
Does that sound like help?
Help! You aren't kidding, no one. Kitty, you stink, alright? No.
Help me.
I think he gave up.
No, he's not done yet.
There's not a lot of soap in the water, right?
Not a lot, no.
I'm just gonna rinse him up. You're fine.
Rinse off his head too, honey.
You're so mean.
No, I did it last time. Oh, come on.
Will he close his eyes?
Here, give me. Here, take this. Take this.
Oh wait, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Oh no.
No, you're not. Barely. Oh my god, he looks like one of those hairless cats.
It does.
Here, take this.
Oh no.
Perfect. Talking like this.
Oh, that's so mean.
He closes his eyes. He's fine.
Your big, muscly arms is away. Now you're gonna lose blood. He ripped your pants.
Of course he did.
Like he straight up.
Don't zoom in on that. Zoom in on the terror cat.
Let's get him out of here.
Yeah. Let's start swapping out the water here.
It's in here now. Are you mad?
Oh yeah, he's pissed.
He's sad.
Here, okay.
Cute though.
We're gonna get a close up of that guy. Hold on, I'm gonna get some.
Don't make it bleed. Whoa! What? So little. Hey, I got your shoulder. That's it. Alright, I think we can take him out. Seriously.
Hold on. You gotta stay warm.
Honey.
What?
He's done.
I know he's done. I'm switching off the water to rinse him off. You're fine. Okay. You want out, don't you? Alright.
What do you think?
Come here. Come on, get on this. Get on that. Come on. Both paws. Okay. And up we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's really docile during this.
Yeah.
He just wants to be cuddled.
Hey, buddy. Let's see how cute you are when you're wet.
He's not very cute when he's wet.
He's cute sounding.
That's about it. He's shivering.
Okay, let's get him dried off. Bye-bye, kitty.